This is simply vinegar, 30%, and it's 6 times stronger than regular vinegar. So I reach for it when I've got a tough job and want to skip harsh chemical cleaners. It's a highly concentrated industrial strength vinegar made for cleaning and home and garden use, not for food use. And one bottle can tackle a bunch of different surfaces, indoors and out. Because it's concentrated, my biggest tip is dilute it first. You truly don't need much, and it goes a long way. And I always use it with good ventilation because that vinegar scent is strong, so you're working, but it's great for deodorizing and making a space feel fresh again. And for pet homes like mine, I just keep it simple. Don't spray it near your pets and let the area fully dry before little paws come through it. Clean, powerful, and practical. Exactly what I want on hand. Consistency is my standard. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link. At no extra cost to you, your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.